Alright, let's start out with the rear table install. So all you gotta do is take off your headrest. There's a button right here that you can push in on the outside, and that will allow you to pull your headrest out. And then all you gotta do is slip them into the holes and push them down. See, and that will lock it in there. So now the table's sitting up in there. And then if you need to adjust the table at all, left and right, or even the bracket, you can, there's a couple screws, one screw on each side, that you can loosen up and then get it to the angle that you wanted to get it at, and then you can tighten it back up. So you might have to make a small adjustment based on the ride height of your seat. The more the seat's angled back, it's going to angle it up or whatnot. And you can also, instead of having to rebend the bracket to get your angle right, you can put like an extra washer on the bottom, and that will angle it up as well. So to make it change the height of the seat, you can either bend the brackets upwards, or you can shim it with a washer. And I'll have these painted black, and then I have like a black leather that I'll put over it. It's a little dirty from my hands right now. It just gives you an idea. So it will fit a small bottle of sake, so you can have that as your setup for shows. Like this one for my car would need to be adjusted just a little bit. But like I said, all you gotta do is take this bracket and then just bend it up a little bit more, and that will cause it to be angled up. So as you can see, this is my old style. So that's the covering I'll have on it. There's the ones that are installed on mine now. So that's the rear seat install. Pull out the headrest. Little button right here releases the headrest to come up and go down, and then put it in. You can adjust the angle left and right by loosening up the two screws on the bottom, making your adjustments and tightening them. And then if you want to adjust the actual angle of it, like this one, if I was to install this in my car, I would angle it up a little more. Take out these two brackets right here and take them off the board, and then just bend them up a little bit, and then you'll be good. So that's the rear seat.